Robinhood does not directly collect fees for crypto transactions outside of the normal network fees required for all crypto transactions. However, they do make money through something called smart exchange routing, which is similar to payment for order flow. Essentially, Robinhood earns a kickback here for routing your trades to certain providers or market makers. Robinhood has actually created an interactive tool that shows you a cost breakdown between Robinhood and other popular platforms, so I'm going to link that up down below and we'll check it out together now. So using this tool, you can input how much crypto you are looking to purchase, and it's going to show you mathematically how much you would end up getting across these various platforms. So by default here, we're looking at $10 worth of Ethereum, and if you bought that on Robinhood, you can see you would end up getting more than Coinbase, Kraken, Crypto.com, and Coinbase Advanced. So if you want to change this as well to Bitcoin, you can make adjustments here. But even, for example, if you bought $1,000 worth of Bitcoin, according to their research and math that they've done, you would end up getting roughly 2.21% less Bitcoin when purchasing through Coinbase versus Robinhood. And you can do this here for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. So if you want to check this out yourself, once again, that's linked up down below. And keep in mind that fees can change for both of these platforms, so you should check the official website for the most current information. So overall, if you're looking to trade the major cryptocurrencies that are supported on Robinhood, you'll likely end up getting a better deal there from a fee perspective. But if you do want to trade a wider variety of cryptos, then Coinbase may still be in the running. They also offer other features like Coinbase Earn and things I don't have time to cover in this video, so check out that full tutorial for more info on Coinbase. In addition, Coinbase also offers a premium subscription called Coinbase One, which may also move the needle for some. So with that said, let's now dive into the Coinbase fees. The free version of Coinbase has transaction fees that vary based on the payment method, cryptocurrency, transaction size, and platform used, but they can be a lot higher for smaller trades. For example, if you want to trade $10 worth of crypto on Coinbase, the fee is 99 cents, which is basically 10% of your money off the top. For smaller trades, Coinbase can be a ripoff, as such a large portion of your money goes towards the fees. But Coinbase does offer a premium subscription called Coinbase One, which is currently $30 a month. And with that, there are no trading fees below the $10,000 monthly limit. So if you plan on trading a high volume of crypto each month, Coinbase One could be an option to offset fees, but you do have to factor in the membership cost.